Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So if you go over here, so if we open Snapchat over here, and as we all know, Snapchat can be done. Snapchat Plus is a really great way for additional features in Snapchat. So once you go over here, and as you can see, Snapchat Plus, if you click on it, basically you're not going to find a place where you can change, where you can cancel Snapchat Plus. It's actually not directly on Snapchat Plus over here. What you need to do is that after you go in here, you're going to click on the three dots, and you're going to click on your profile in the top left corner, and then on the settings. Now from the settings, you're going to scroll down, as you can see, until you find Snapchat Plus. Now from Snapchat Plus, you're going to click on billing, and then cancel subscription. So this is how you can cancel subscription on Snapchat Plus. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.